I for once joined a free affiliate marketing class. A backstory. I for once joined affiliate marketing class, and the mentor wanted to do an example of how you can sell a best product and make money listed, and he selected a product called Amazon KDP. So here's what he said: for all of us, let's select a hot product called Amazon KDP, for example, at seller market place to sell. This product costs $50. So to learn Amazon KDP, you have to pay what? $50 to learn it. And then you earn a commission of 50%, which is $25. So 50% of $50 is $25. We all know that. Okay, then using the powerful method inside the affiliate marketing income blueprint balance program, purely online without leaving your house, and you can make 8 sales per month. Yes, guaranteeing me making at least 8 sales per month. Then he go on to say you can make 8 sales per month. This means you earn 8 times 25, and that 8 times 25 give me the commission of $200 per week. Okay, now that you have earned $200 per week in your imagination head, now let's do the calculation, and then you continue to do this calculation. Let's assume a dollar is 11 Ghana cedis now. When I mention cedis, that means what? The mentor is coming from Ghana. So the currency we are spending here is called cedis. Let's assume a dollar is 11 Ghana cedis now. So you multiply 11 times 200. 11 times 200. That is going to give you what? 220 Ghana cedis per week. That means $1 is equal to 11 Ghana cedis. So 11 times the $200 is going to give you 220 Ghana cedis. Okay. Now, so in just a week, you are about to make 220 Ghana cedis. Then what about a month? So now the only mathematics you have to do here is to calculate 220 Ghana cedis times 4. Well, I tried it. I tried it. Like I always said, I completed YouTube University. Anything you told me, I will quickly run to YouTube to search or make research about it, because on YouTube you have access to free tutorial, free video tutorial, step-by-step guide. So I went to learn about Amazon KDP, and I was able to publish my first book, second book, third book, fourth book, and I have about 22 books now. Now, how much did I make from these 22 books? Zero. And you believe me? No. I was able to make over $300 last month selling this book. And someone was asked, how was I able to create a book? How did I sell it? Okay, let me give you free tips. To create ebooks, you can go to YouTube and type how to create ebooks. You will see a lot of videos. Follow the one that you can. Step 2, how to edit cover. You will see a lot of free videos. Follow it and do it. Now, the step 3 is how to create Amazon account. Go to Amazon KDP account, go to YouTube, search the same thing, and you are going to get a lot of videos. Now, the 4th is to search what? How to create US bank account, because with Amazon it's for only US country. So no matter the amount you earn, you must withdraw it to your dollar account, not to your cedis account. So with the first step that I've given you now, I hope you can completed YouTube University like me. Don't play, you will learn if you know very dark man. Now I have completed and I'm making money out of it. And someone will ask me, how was I able to achieve it? It take a lot of time, dedication, and I know someone the first question the person is going to ask is how long does it take me to make such amount of money? It take me 1 month, one good month. Just my first month, I was able to make $300. I'm lying. It's true. Don't believe it. Believe it. That is up to you. So I've given you the step already. The only thing left for you is to go and apply. But before you go, do the mathematics, drop the question, write the answer in the comment section and I'll get back to you.